In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Binance Wallet to Aster DEX. Now, first, you need to go to Aster's official website, and there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment that will take you to the official Aster DEX website, and if you sign up using my link, you'll get a discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. As I said, link down below. So after you are over here on the Aster DEX website, go to the very top right and select the chain you would like to connect to. So I'm going to go for the BNB chain, and then after this you want to make sure you also have the Binance Wallet over here as an extension on your browser. For me, I'm using Chrome, so if you're using Chrome as well, you can just go to the, for example, Chrome Web Store and then get it on there, set it up with your Binance account, and then you'll be good to go. After this, click on the Connect Wallet button and then select Binance Wallet over here. It's going to basically, as you can see, it's going to ask you if you want to connect with the extension or if you want to actually scan the Binance app to connect. So I'm just going to connect with the extension over here. As you can see, I have the extension already. So I'm just going to refresh this website so it actually realizes I do have the extension. And there we go. Now I can just go up here, click on Connect Wallet again, select Binance Wallet. And now it should pop up, okay? So here, as you can see, it popped up on the right-hand side. Click on the Connect button, and then you have to send this request. Just send the request, and again, you're gonna have to confirm it by clicking the Confirm button. And just like this, you'll be connected. There we go. I'm now connected to my Binance Wallet, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.